Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Zahur Islam Official. Let's start a lecture on official and unofficial test. So as we know that there are two kinds of tests usually performed in the quality control department. One is the official test, the second one is non-official or unofficial test. So let me explain the difference between unofficial test and official test. So unofficial test, actually these are the physical tests which are usually performed for the solid dosage form like tablets. So its appearances should be checked, the size and shape and hardness, so it come under the category of unofficial test. Second one is official test. That is friability, wet variation test, content uniformity test, dissolution test, and disintegration test. Let me explain and process quality control test for tablet. For coated tablets, we should check the appearances, the dimensions, adhesion test, resistance to abrasions. For uncoated tablets, the appearances and dimensions can be checked. And coated tablets, these are the tests which are conducted when the tablet is under process. Appearances mean the tablet should be free from cracks, the tablet should be free from depression, and the tablet should be free from the pinholes, etc. The dimensions of the tablets mean the thickness and diameter should be checked. It should be measured by using the digital vernier caliper or screw gauge. Adhesion test is usually performed to measure by using the tensile strength testers. The force required to peel the film from the tablet surface is measured. Resistance to abrasion. This is the ability of the coating to remain stuck to the tablet surface and the which is tested. If there is any defect in the formulation of coating solution, so it can be tested. For uncoated tablets, appearances should be checked and it should be free from cracks, from depression and pinholes. Is the same case with coated tablets. So the color and polish of the tablet should be uniform on whole surface. There should be no sign of coating and the surface should be smooth. So in case of dimensions, the dimensions of the tablet's thickness and diameter are measured by using the digital vernier calipers and screw gauge. You can see here, this is a very simple diagram of screw gauge. This one is the depth measuring the blade. This one is scale. This one is LCD display, and this one is locking screw. This one is metric or inch button. This one is internal jaws. These are the internal jaws, and these are the external jaws. So you can power on and off from this button, and this one is the zero setting. This one is vernier caliper and this one is screw gauge. Or you can see we can check the hardness of the tablet. So inshallah in my next lecture we shall just talk about the hardness, which is the unofficial or physical test usually performed for solid dosage form, that is tablet.